This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the default font color in Gmail. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into Gmail. To change your default font color in Gmail, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go up to the upper right hand corner, up to where you see the little gear wheel. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says See All Settings and click on See All Settings. Now on the tabs up top here, you want to make sure you're on the General tab. Then you want to go down to where it says Default Text Style. And right off to the right here, you can see an A with an underline below it. If you place your mouse cursor over it, it says Text Color. You want to click on that. By default, your text color is set to black by default, but you can change it to any color you want here. You can change it to red, blue. After you have changed, I'm going to select red. After you have changed it, you'll see down below what your text is going to look like. Then you want to go down to the bottom and you want to click on Save Changes. Now, when I compose an email, my text will be red instead of black. That is how to change the default font color in Gmail. Thanks for watching.